How to get thick, healthy hair. Naturally, a gentle, proven guide for women, because you deserve to love your hair and feel confident every day. Let's be honest, there's something deeply emotional about hair. It's more than just strands on our head. It's identity, it's beauty, it's confidence. And when you start noticing more hair on your pillow, thinning along your part, or a ponytail that feels half its usual size, it can feel devastating. You may smile in the mirror but feel a quiet ache inside, wondering, why is my hair falling out? Will it ever grow back? What am I doing wrong? If you're nodding your head right now, please hear this. You are not alone, you are not to blame. And yes, there's hope. At Glownest, we believe every woman deserves to feel radiant and strong in her skin and her hair. That's why today we're diving into a natural, science-backed guide to help you get thick, healthy hair from the inside out. Why is your hair thinning? Understanding the root causes. Before we jump into solutions, let's gently uncover the why behind hair thinning or slow growth. Hair health is deeply connected to your body, lifestyle, and emotions. Here are the most common culprits. 1. Hormonal imbalances, pregnancy, PCOS, menopause, thyroid issues. All of these can trigger hormonal shifts that affect hair growth and density. 2. Nutritional deficiencies. Lack of iron, zinc, biotin, or protein can slow down hair growth and cause shedding. Think of your hair as a plant, it needs soil nutrients to thrive. 3. Stress, whether emotional or physical. Prolonged stress, even from heartbreak, burnout, or illness, can push hair into a shedding phase. This condition is known as telogen effluvium. 4. Harsh hair products or styling habits. Frequent heat styling, tight ponytails, or chemical treatments can weaken hair over time, causing breakage and thinning. 5. Poor scalp health. A dry, flaky, or inflamed scalp is like poor soil. It cannot grow lush hair until it's healed and nourished. The good news? Many of these causes are reversible naturally and gently. Let's look at how. 6 natural ways to get thicker, healthier hair. These are not gimmicks or overnight promises. These are root-level, science-supported practices to help your hair grow stronger, fuller, and more resilient over time. 1. Feed your hair from within. Focus on hair-loving foods. What you eat shows up in your hair, quite literally. Nutrients reach your hair follicles through blood flow. If your body is low on essentials, your hair gets the leftovers. Include these in your daily meals. Protein: eggs, lentils, Greek yogurt, nuts. Hair is made of keratin, a protein. Iron and zinc. Leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, red lentils, support scalp circulation and follicle strength. Biotin, sweet potatoes, almonds, and avocados help with keratin production. Omega-3s, chia seeds, walnuts, flax seeds reduce inflammation and add shine. Pro tip, pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C like lemon, oranges, or bell peppers for better absorption. 2. Practice weekly scalp oil massages. A 2016 study found that regular scalp massage increases hair thickness over time, and it's a beautiful act of self-care. Why it works. Stimulates blood flow to hair follicles, distributes natural oils, relieves tension and stress. How to do it? Warm a little coconut, castor, or rosemary oil. Use your fingertips to gently massage in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave overnight or wash after 1 to 2 hours. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start seeing and feeling the difference. Use natural rinses to strengthen and shine. Hair rinses are easy, affordable, and deeply nourishing, especially when made with herbs. Try these DIY rinses once a week. Rosemary tea rinse encourages growth and reduces shedding. Fenugreek seed water adds volume and fights dandruff. Green tea rinse is full of antioxidants to strengthen hair follicles. Simply boil, cool, and pour over freshly washed hair. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing with water. Be gentle with your hair always. Hair is most vulnerable when wet or tied up tightly. Show it love with small but powerful habits. Use a wide-tooth comb, not a brush, when detangling. Avoid high-heat styling tools or use a heat protectant. Choose silk pillowcases to reduce breakage while sleeping. Avoid tight hairstyles that pull on roots. Little changes equal long-term gains. Manage stress with daily nervous system support. Stress causes cortisol to spike, and cortisol disrupts your hair cycle. Here's how to bring calm back into your body. Practice deep breathing. Try 4-7-8 breathing for 2 minutes a day. Gentle movement like walking, yoga, or dancing helps your body feel safe. Sleep deeply. Aim for 7 to 8 hours with a wind-down routine. Say no to burnout. Rest is productive. Your body heals while you sleep and relax. A peaceful inner world reflects in glowing skin and thriving hair. Consider natural supplements with care. Sometimes our food isn't enough, especially during hormonal transitions or high-stress periods. Here are a few science-backed supplements known to support hair health. Biotin supports keratin production and hair strength. Collagen helps with follicle structure and elasticity. Iron and vitamin D deficiencies are directly linked to hair thinning. Ashwagandha balances stress hormones like cortisol naturally. Always consult with a doctor or a trusted naturopath before starting any supplement, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication. Your hair journey is sacred, and it's just beginning. If your hair feels thin right now, if your heart aches every time you see strands fall out, if you've tried everything and are ready to give up, please don't. Thick, healthy hair is not just a dream, it's a journey of nourishment, patience, and self-love. And the most beautiful part? With every oil massage, nourishing meal, or stress-free breath, you're not just growing better hair. You're growing into a more vibrant, rooted version of yourself. Your next step: start with one loving habit today. Let this article be your gentle push forward. You don't have to do everything at once. Just choose one thing from this list and start today. Maybe it's a scalp massage before bed. Maybe it's adding leafy greens to your lunch. Maybe it's pausing for 3 deep breaths before work. Small steps create big transformations, and you, dear friend, are absolutely worth it. Let's grow together. At Glownest, we're here to support you every step of the way. Drop a comment, share your hair journey, or ask us anything. This is your safe space. Subscribe for more wellness wisdom. Share this with a friend who needs it. Come back anytime. Your growth is our joy. You are radiant. You are resilient. And your hair can be too. New viewers, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.